The boss wants to check if you're fast enough to be a getaway driver. Get in the limo parked in the western car park.
This is my car now.
The boss wants to check if you're fast enough to be a getaway driver. Get in the limo parked in the western car park.
Nice car. I'll take it. I need your car.
Drive carefully, because the car will slow down if it's badly damaged. Okay, now head to the first checkpoint. The timer will start then. Go! Little baby. Go and pay fucks for more missions. So, you fancy yourself as a driver, eh? Head to the concrete area to the south. You'll get there quicker if you drive. Okay, now open the crate and pick up the contents. Okay, now shoot the dummies. Stay behind the white line and don't use more than 20 shots to kill all the dummies. Can't you bloody well do anything, right?